Hello, my name is Aniket Bhatia. I've known Firoz sir from 2019. I'd met him in Ashish Kyal's webinar, and he was posting. There was a WhatsApp group, and he was after the webinar and before the webinar, he was posting levels of Maruti, of Nifty, of Bank Nifty, of where it will go on the basis of his Gann and Elliott Wave. Okay, Gann, Elliott Wave, Neo Wave, and Wolfie Wave. So everyone thought that okay, like in other random groups, people just keep on posting levels, right? But this guy was very accurate. He was very accurate. Firoz was very accurate. And then slowly after the Ashish Kyal's webinar got over, he continued posting. So everybody wanted to learn from him rather than Ashish Kyal, who himself is a CMT and such a famous name. Firoz sir might not be such a famous name, but his levels are much more accurate than Ashish Kyal. I'll give you an example. I'll give you two examples. He had given a trade about Tata Motors that it will go up till 300 and it will resist from there. Exactly what happened. Then he told me, I can share screenshots. He told me that Nifty will touch 14,750 and go down from there. And I blindly trust him. I blindly trust this guy. I am telling you, I made around 2,10,000 in 1 week. When Nifty touched 14,750, the whole world was like Sensex 50,000, Sensex 50,000. I remember this guy had told me that 2 weeks ago, 14,750 touch karke, it will go down. I went short. I made 2 lakhs. And I'm telling you, I made very less. I should have made much more. I had a good capital. I should have made much more. But you know, in trading, sometimes you fear. So, Firoz sir is very accurate. He's very genuine. I've paid him money for learning Gann and Elliott Wave. Gann हो गया है. Elliott Wave के लिए I have paid him money, and whenever I want any doubts I want, I can call him and I can ask him, and he's always available. He'll never say no. Ulta he'll shout at you if you don't send homework, which he shouts at me a lot. Hi Firoz sir for that. My classes resume again tomorrow, and right now I'm in Goa. I tried to send with a Goa wala view to you the video, because whatever money I earned, I've come on a vacation to Goa, but the lighting was not proper, so I thought I'll send it in a quiet room. Really thank you, Firoz sir, for your levels and for your genuine teaching. He will not hide anything from you. He will teach you properly whatever he's promised you. Gann, I have learned from him, whatever his levels are accurate. 21st January, he said trend reversal happened. Elliott Wave accurate, trend lines accurate. Learn from this guy. Trust me, the investment is worth it. Trust me, I am finding the investment to be worth it.